Well, I'm just about to trim the sides of these down, and you'll see how quick I can get rid of that, the colour that has leaked out the side there. See that colour that's leaked out from the top glass? Yeah, that won't take me a minute with the Dremel. This supposed to be going. That's that side done. That's all off there. So now I've just got to do that other little bit there. Almost finished. I've only got a couple little tiny bits on there to go now. That side's all done, all neat, and just those little bits there. There you go, that's pretty well done now. When you have a look at it, there's none of the colours leaking out the side now, and it's all sealed, the colours are all sealed in. They haven't done anything to the brightness of the colours, they're all still there, but it just makes the sides look neater because it isn't leaking out the sides so much. Yeah, so that's how we do it.